Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan. Today we're going to skip right through the intro. No intro needed because I need to inform you guys about the Nike Kobe 6 Protro. The reverse Grinch is going to be shock dropping tomorrow. That's right guys, so tomorrow, November 28th, it is rumored that the Nike Kobe 6 Protro reverse Grinch is going to be shock dropping over on the SNKRS app. Now, it's very important that you guys are updating your SNKRS app. Make sure it's up to date. Make sure that your software is up to date as well so you don't encounter any glitches or bugs when this shock drop goes down. Now, the rumored supposed time that it is supposed to be shock dropping is going to be 11:24 a.m. Eastern time. It is all but confirmed from everybody over on Twitter that these things are definitely going to be shock dropping tomorrow. So like I said, make sure you guys are staying tuned to that SNKRS app. Make sure you guys are logged in around 11 o'clock, just in case it decides to drop a little bit early. And if it doesn't drop at exactly 11:24, just stay tuned to the app, because Nike with the past shock drops actually will post it ahead of time. So they actually give you like a 10 to 15 minute window. It'll post it right on SNKRS app saying shock drop confirmed. And then all you got to do is go ahead and enter when the time is right. Now, this is one of the most highly anticipated releases of this year, so you're not going to want to miss this, guys. Like I said, so make sure you're updating the app. Make sure you guys are logged into the app at that time. Like I said, 11:24 Eastern is supposed to be the exact time. Now, whether or not it is the exact time or not, you got to stay tuned. Make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter as well, because I will be posting any confirmed times that I get. And last but not least, guys, this is going to be a shock drop, so it is not the official release. You will have more opportunities to cop this pair of shoes. It is also supposedly supposed to be releasing on Finish Line, JD Sports, potentially Foot Locker, so on and so forth. So let's hope that we can see those as well. And like I said, just be on time tomorrow. You're not going to want to miss these. Before I go, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, because your boy is surpassing 900 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. And like I said, if you are new around here as well, please turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. And like I said, guys, tomorrow, SNKRS app. My name is Dylan. You guys are just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.